In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a workout tracker in Notion. We'll build a clean system with 2 databases and a simple connection so you can plan workouts. Log what you do and automatically keep a history for every lift. Start by creating your exercise library. This is your master list of movements, think squats, bench press, and any variations you use. In this database, add a property called muscle group and set it to select. So you can choose one clear tag like legs, chest, or back. Next, add equipment as a multi-select. This lets you pick more than one item when a movement can be done with different tools, such as barbell, dumbbell, or body weight. Finally, add an instructions property. Set it to text or URL so you can store quick form cues or link to a trusted tutorial. Consider adding brief coaching reminders in the instructions field, like stance width or tempo. Or paste a link to a demo so you always know exactly how to execute the movement. Consistent capitalization across names and tags will keep everything clean when you search and keeps your library easy to scan as it grows. Now create your workout log. This is where you'll record daily sessions. Add a date property set to date, so each workout is anchored to the correct day. Add a workout type property to label the session. For example, push, pull, or legs. Then add a status property as a checkbox. Use it to mark a workout as completed, or leave it unchecked when a session is still planned or in progress. If you miss a day, you can still log it by setting the date backward. This keeps your timeline accurate. The workout type label helps you balance the week at a glance so you avoid overloading one muscle group. Next, connect the two. In the workout log, add a new property and choose relation. Point it to your exercise library. Make sure it can hold multiple entries so each session can include all the movements you plan to perform. When you open a workout entry, click the relation field and select the exercises from your library. The moment you do, Notion creates a two-way link. Your workout shows the chosen exercises, and each exercise page quietly builds a history of every time you performed that lift. From the exercise page, the related workouts appear as a running timeline you can open in one click. And you can sort that list by date to review your progress without hunting through the log. This setup keeps planning simple, logging fast, and progress visible. Thanks for watching.